Good morning, children. So today here we are with chapter 2. So the name of the chapter is File Management, Organization of Data. So children, before starting this chapter, let me tell you a few things, few points. That's very important. You should know. First of all, what is file? What is file? File are simply a document, even music file. Okay, so file can be document, okay, song, individual song, okay, then maybe video file, image file. So like this there can be multiple files. So each file has some extension for document is docx, songs you get mp3, video you get mp4, and images you get jpg, etc. Like this, for many different file extensions are available. Okay, so these are known as file. Now this file we can collect and store in a container known as folder. So what is folder? Folder are container. We can store files. Okay, even another folder can be also stored in a folder. That means folder can be used to store files and as well as subfolders. So what is file? What is folder? Now see, the next part we have is a hard disk. Hard disk. In computer icon, we have a partition. Various partitions are available like C, D, E, etc. So this C drive, D drive, E drive, this partition of hard disks are actually the main storage of computer. In that storage we create the folder, and in that folder we store the file. That means the main storage of computer is hard disks, folder is the storage of files, and folder total with files are stored in a hard disk. So this is all about the storage. But this chapter is what? File management. So once you store, you can do multiple work. You can edit the file, you can create the new file, you can delete the unwanted file. Okay, that means what you can do? You can do actually the 4 different work. This 4 different work I can write as CURD, CURD. So what are the operation you can do on file? CURD. Now C stand for what? Create. You can create a new file wherever required. U, update. You can update, you can edit, you can modify the file, okay, based on your requirement. Or retrieve. That means fetch, to search. Sometimes you may forget the location where you have saved the file, maybe C drive, D drive, or E drive. In such case, you can search. You can use the retrieve features of computer to search your files. That is known as retrieve. And the 4th one is delete. Sometime maybe there is no requirement of the file which you have stored. You can delete that. So file management means doing this 4 different operations. That is create, update, retrieve, and delete. In short, I can say the CURD operation is done on file management. Is this clear, students? Okay, now see. So see, now you have understand that what are the operations we can do in files. That is CURD. Create, update, retrieve, delete. Now, some more operation I will be teaching you. See here, like you can use moving or copying. These features, moving and or copying. So first of all, let me tell you what is moving. Moving means changing the location. you can change the location of file or folders. From one location to another location you can shift. In such case, the file is moved from one place to another. Okay, such features are known as cut plus paste. You can cut the file or folder from one location, you can paste the file or folder in another locations. The shortcut for cut is CTRL plus X and the shortcut for paste is CTRL plus V. Okay, so this is all about moving. So just opposite of moving we have copying. In copying, it creates duplicate of file. It creates duplicate. That means already in one location the file or folder is there and you are just creating a duplicate version of that in another location. You are shifting but without deleting the original one. That means the two copy or maybe more than two copy can be produced with the help of copying features. In this copying features we use copy plus paste and the shortcut for copy is CTRL plus C, whereas for paste the shortcut is CTRL plus V. So moving means you are changing the locations and copying means you are just creating the duplicate. Okay, that means more than one file or folder can be created by the help of copying. So is this clear, children? What is moving and what is copying? Is this clear, children? So see the next. So see next, that is moving or copying data from one drive to another. Say our data is our file which is in C drive and I just want to copy this one in D drive. Either I want to copy or I want to move. So this is possible, children. We can copy as well as we can move the data from one drive to another drive. So what we have to do is, first of all, we have to come to the location of source where the file is. Then for copy we can use CTRL plus C and for cut we can use CTRL plus X. So either of these two, anyone based on our requirement we can use, or else another option is also there. We can right click on the file, we'll get the option as copy as well as cut. We can select as per as our requirement. Then we have to go to the destination. Okay, destination drive means where we want to store the file or copy the file or move the file. Say D drive. We have to open that. Then you can use a paste shortcut command, that is CTRL plus V, or else you can use by right clicking on the blank area, you get the paste options. So children, what we can do is, when you are copying or moving data from one drive to another drive, maybe from C to D or maybe C to E or D to E, it's very simple. Go to the source location first, select the file, right click, use copy for copying, cut for moving. Then go to the destination drive, right click on the blank area and click on paste option. Or else you can use the shortcut keyboard also. Okay children, now see the next part. Even we can moving or copying data from computer to storage device. Okay, additional storage device we can use also. Say from C drive, if I want to copy to pen drive, or maybe the reverse also. The logic is same. Here also you have to go to the particular drive first, select the file, right click, use cut for moving, copy for paste. Copy for copying. Or you can use the shortcut also, CTRL plus C and CTRL plus X, either of the one. Then you have to go to the pen drive. okay, or maybe CD or any other external storage device. Right click, select paste, or else you can use shortcut, that is CTRL plus V. So children, you can do reverse also. From pen drive also you can copy and paste in the computer any drive. So there is one more option for additional or external storage device. When you right click on the file or datas, you get send to option. Send to option is also available. Send to. So when you click on the send to, they will ask you the location where you want to send your file. Whether you want to send the file to external device like pen drive or all. Okay, you can use that directly, or else you can use copy paste or cut paste. But when you do send to, it will act as a copy paste, copying only. Moving is not possible using send to. Is this clear, children? So we can use moving or copying for both data from one drive to another within a computer, or else we can use from computer to any other external storage device. Children, one more thing. See, this copying and moving features we are using. So when the data are copying, say suppose one movie you have in your computer and you want to copy that movie in a pen drive, and the movie storage capacity is around say 2 GB or maybe 1.5 GB. So it will take around 5 to 10 minutes to copy. So meanwhile you can work with any other applications. You can play games, you can listen some music or songs, or else you can even type or draw. So our computer system allow us for multiple application to run simultaneously. Multiprocessing is also applicable here. It is not that when you are busy in copying or moving means your computer will remain silent. It's not that. Even you are remaining silent, that is also not required. We can use the computer system for multitasking. Simultaneously we can use so many applications. So children, file management work on the four concept which I have told you, that is CUD, C for create, U update, R retrieve, and D delete when file not required. Along with this copying and moving feature is very important. Usually we need sometime from copying any data from pen drive to computer or from computer to pen drive. Okay, I'm always using pen drive, not CD, because pen drive is a very small and comfort device which we can carry in our pocket also, and even it has a long or huge storage capacity. So children, is this clear? We can use multiple application also together. Okay, so see. So children, from the topic which I have covered today, from there a piece of homework I'll be giving you, which you have to do in your copy. So for this homework, first of all you have to watch the video properly, you have to understand it, then easily you can give the correct answer. So see your homework. Write the keyboard shortcut for the following. So you have to write the keyboard shortcut. There are some keys combinations which we use to do this task. Like point number 1, copy. Point number 2, cut. Point number 3, paste. So this keyboard shortcut I have given from the topic copying and moving. As I have said you, copying is used to create a duplicate. We can use mouse or else we can use keyboard to perform this operation. When we do using keyboard, we use copy and paste option for copying. In copying, what happens? A duplicate is created. You'll be having the original file as well as the new one will be created. Now another topic is moving. Moving means you have to shift the location, you have to change the location of the file. Here also you have two options, you can use mouse as well as you can use keyboard. When you use keyboard, there are some keys combinations, and the point you do is cut and paste. Cut means you are just removing the file from that particular location, and paste means you are pasting that in any other locations. These things can be done within the drive, means maybe from C drive to D drive, okay, means within the computer, or else you can even do with external storage devices, so like pen drive, CDs and all. You can move the object, move the data from computer to pen drive or CDs, and even you can move the data from CDs or pen drive to computer. So these things are very useful in our day-to-day life, copying and moving. So these are the part of file management. Is this clear, children? So you have to write keyboard shortcut. The keys combinations are there, okay. There are two keys that are joined together to perform such operations. You have to write for copy, you have to write for cut, and you have to write for paste. Okay, children.